You're watching Channel 1 and this is Saturday Cooking at the Garden. It's potato omelette and fresh salad, all from the garden. And we will be harvesting and arranging flowers as well. Let's join Romilo and Manang Grace at the shed. Good morning, magandang umaga mga kaibigan. We are back with my Manang Grace here. Yes, we have to give our love to my Manang Grace. So our Manang Grace because she's back from another episode at the restaurant. Nagungar man na, nagrambak.
Adak man dito yun, nabiyaga man na.
Yes, true. I'm very happy, really. And you two are happy, I'm sure. And what are we going to cook today? Manang, what are you going to prepare?
Gagamit salad.
Salad from her freshest.
I need a healthy food.
Yes, the doctor
no fat.
advised her to eat healthier. So no adobo today.
No adobo.
No pinakbet.
Everything is vegetable.
Vegetable, yeah. We'll be making today as a main dish today for lunch. It is tortilla de patata or potato omelette a la ranch style from our very fresh harvest today. We'll be harvesting more today, and I have prepared them earlier. And surprise, we have a new voiceover talent today. Voiceover, what do we need for this tortilla de patata a la rancho?
The ingredients are simple and few. Thinly sliced potatoes, eggs, oil for frying, salt and pepper. Back to you, Romilo and Grace.
Thank you, Graham. I asked the neighbors to tone down to illustrate to you what we're going to do first. First in our procedure is to fry our potatoes in olive oil if you have, but if you don't have any oil except baby oil. Yeah, any oil. And ng baboy is also good. This involves deep frying, so you need lots of oil. Hindi pwede ang tingi. We need wholesale oil for this. This is a big amount, so we have to fry this in batches. Our first batch is ready. We have enough oil for the second batch. The second batch is ready. And while waiting for this third batch to cook, I'm going to prepare, just slice the onion. I separated the cooked potatoes to allow them to cool a bit. This is just an option, but we are adding onions just for enhanced taste. Next, we fry the onions until they become translucent. We've cooked our potatoes now, the onions as well. Now we are ready. They have cooled down a bit. We are ready to mix our omelette. There's a saying you cannot make an omelette without breaking the eggs. We don't have to beat this, by the way. Just break and mix. Sarap dikterbij. Boven. We have a salt and pepper mixture here. And more salt. And now we mix. Or fold, just like folding in the ingredients of a cake. Just being careful not to break the potatoes. We're folding in. We're folding. Not mixing, but gently folding. Just to preserve the texture of the potato. With that, I think we're ready to cook our omelette. Tortilla de patata al rancio. The lower side or the bottom side is now cooked. You should be able to do this. It should turn freely. Now we have to turn it. Here is the highlight of the show. Watch and learn. Ideally we should have a plate bigger than the pan here, but we don't have it. So we'll try this. Wish me luck.
Two.
That wasn't perfect, but we are at the ranch.
So it doesn't matter.
We do this better when we are at the kitchen.
We are in the...
Yes. Yes. It's not cooked. The other side is now cooked. So it's time to serve it. While Madam Grace prepares the table. Look at this. Voila! Tortilla de patata or potato omelette, ranch or dampa style. What a better way to enjoy it, but with our salad, fresh salad from the very harvest of our garden. Lettuce, rocula, apple, cucumber, with the dressing of just oil and lemon juice. Tortilla de patata al rancho. Thank you for joining us today with my Manang Grace here, celebrating because she's back from the hospital. We have a drink, and as a side dish, Manang Grace's fresh salad, all fresh from the garden. Join us here again as we bring you more flavors, fresh flavors from our garden here on Channel 4. And if you enjoyed watching, don't forget to subscribe and share. Ibida natin ang pagkain natin sa buong mundo. Your Kuya Uncle here, on behalf of my Manang Grace and Yaya Ludo and Alex here. Until next time. Bye-bye.